So someone has asked a question that if there is a conducting sphere, so conducting sphere which is grounded, okay, so this is the grounded, so the potential over it is zero. The surface of this conducting sphere will be zero, a potential surface. Okay, this is the point P where the dipole moment, where the dipole moment P is given, and the distance of this dipole, this is an infinitesimal dipole, means very small dipole, infinitesimal dipole. Okay, and the direction of this dipole is along the radial direction, suppose, okay, so radial direction of the sphere, and this is the distance d of this dipole. Now the question is asked, what will be the image dipole of this dipole? Okay, so to solve this kind of problem, what we do is that we replace the actual problem with a virtual problem where we make a spherical boundary of, so this spherical boundary is representing the potential of zero potential boundary, zero potential imaginary surface. So how we achieve this zero potential? We put a negative or imaginary charge of the actual charge in the other region. Suppose, so the dipole is, so this is the dipole which is given here. It is made of minus q and plus q. The distance between the two the distance between the two opposite charges is 2a. So this is the dipole P. Okay, so where we are using, since the dipole is very small, we are using this approximation that 2a is very less than d. Okay, now the question is that to calculate the image dipole. So to calculate the image dipole, what we have to do? So to calculate the image dipole, what we have to do is that we have to make image point charges corresponding to this plus q and minus q charge. Okay, so these white charges are the actual real charges, and these purple color charges are the imaginary charges. Okay, so so what is the general formula for calculating the image charge? Is q prime is equals to minus r upon a. So you can call it as the distance d and the charge q. This is the general formula to calculate the image charge. Okay, so here the distance of the image charge is one of the image charge is d plus a, and the another minus q charge has the distance d minus a. So correspondingly we calculate, this is the first image charge we calculated using this formula. Here we have used the distance d plus a and the charge q, and another imaginary charge we have calculated, and the distance is the distance we have used d minus a, because this q charge has the distance d minus a. So we have calculated both imaginary image charges. Now we have to calculate their distances. So the general formula for the distance is this. So similarly we have calculated the distance. Now our whole game is to calculate the dipole moment. The general formula to calculate the dipole moment is this, but here the dipole moment calculation is not unique just because the total charge of the image dipole is not zero. So here we see that the q1 prime plus q2 prime is not equal to 0. Since you can see here these two charges are not equal and opposite. If this were, then the dipole moment you will calculate that will be a unique dipole moment, means you have choice to choose any coordinate system. But here since the total charge is not 0, we have to fix some coordinate system in which we will be calculating the total dipole moment. If you choose choose your origins at some another location, then your dipole moment will be some different quantity. Okay, so here we have chosen the origin to be the center of this sphere. Okay, So this, in this coordinate system we are calculating the this dipole moment. So dipole moment, the formula we have used this dipole moment formula, P prime is equal to Q1 prime B1 plus Q2 prime B2. In this way we have put the both Q1 prime and B1, Q2 prime and B2, and thus, and we have used the approximation that A is very less than D here in this step, and thus we have calculated this image dipole. So this is the solution. Thank you very much.